Through a robust synergy between the Inspector General of Police, Olukayode Egbetokun, and the Chairman Police Service Commission, Solomon Arase, which led to the elevation of an Assistant Commissioner of Police to Deputy Commissioner of Police, and a few Chief Superintendents of Police to the rank of Assistant Commissioners of Police, following their track record, showcasing an exceptional performance in the line of duty. The decoration of the newly promoted officers at the zonal headquarters in Lagos, led by Assistant Inspector General of Police Durosimi, was equally attended by Commissioner of Police Lagos State, Fayoade Adegoke.
For those of us who have been promoted, I, on your behalf, want to thank the General of Police for counting you worthy of what you are being given. You have been serving, none of you is less than 20 years before 2025. And the IATF find it fit and proper to send your name to the Service Commission for necessary approval. I want to congratulate you for what you are doing, for the decoration today. And I want you to know that wearing a higher rank means higher responsibility.
Deputy Commissioner of Police Gbenga Adeoye, who couldn't hide his excitement, encouraged the officers and applauded the efforts of the IGP, Kayode Egbetokun.
I want to thank God, firstly, for this great privilege, and of course, thank the Chairman, Police Service Commission, Solomon Arase, the Inspector General of Police, IGP Kayode Adeolu Egbetokun. The reward for hard work is more hard work. I expect to continue to put in my very best to continue to impact people everywhere I go, put in my home best in whatever space of policing that I am.
Happy. When somebody is working and you're elevated, it's a sign of recognition of what you're doing, and I think it's a thing to give glory to God.
The new promotees, including DCP Olubode Fake, DCP Oludotun Odubona, DCP Oliver Ezirim, DCP Gbenga Adeoye, ACP Wada, among others, also pledged higher commitment to the call of duty.
So you also can get to where the IG is. You can be a president in this nation. So be dutiful, listen to your parents, and be conscious of who you are.
It's one of these ranks that you can, when you touch it, you really know that you're a policeman. Everything completely on you will change. And you feel that, yes, you are at the top. And by God's grace, IG gave us this to work for him. And we will be with him, and we'll work for him, and we always, even can. I can say we work as we work from before to now. Even if we were tactical now, but we can still join the other rank to work like before.
Families, friends, and well-wishers who graced the occasion encouraged the officers to ensure professionalism in the discharge of their duties.